I understand where this is going, and I will go willingly wherever. But my daughter is going home to my mother.
You do not get to make these decisions.
Which is right up the street.
Why don't you sit in the back of my car and stay warm?
No, I need
for you and your daughter.
To me, please.
What's your name? I didn't catch your name.
Please listen to me, please, because I know where this is headed.
We'll take a third.
And I know how to assess for injuries. Because that's what medical institutions.
The 20th of January 2024, a crashed car, a downed power line, no driver in sight, only a car seat, still warm. What the officers found next would lead to 3 criminal charges.
And 217, are any of those lines arcing or sparking or any fire?
I'm not seeing any right now.
And 17, that plate is clear, valid. No, first shut down at 320. Copy, shut down first at 320. 217, that plate was clear, valid till December, a black Honda Civic to a
Copy. The car is over in the ditch with the power line over it. I can't tell if it is occupied. And it looks like the power box, looks like it did spark because there is black all over the place. And I can't cross over these power lines.
Somebody in there?
Doesn't look like it. Okay, I don't think there's anybody in there.
17, for clarification, did you see it spark or it looks like it did?
No, it smells like that it did go up because the power box is all black like it had sparked. It's not actively sparking right now though.
Yeah, I just saw one person. It looked like she was holding the baby walking this way, that's it.
Okay, like I said, it looks like there is a baby carrier or a car seat in here, but
I bet you that was them.
and I can't tell if there is somebody in the driver's seat or not. So I don't know if the lady and the baby. I'm just gonna check.
Hey guys, let's not do that.
What if there's somebody in there?
There's nothing we can do until we get these lines and can confirm that they're off. I don't even know if those are hot right there. I get it, but we can't. We're not gonna go anywhere near that until we can confirm everything's dead.
Okay.
Probable cause for DUI does not require a breathalyzer. Under Illinois versus Gates, a utility pole collision, a spontaneous admission of drinking, and visible impairment were already sufficient. The arrest was constitutionally sound before the subject blew a single breath. The breathalyzer results 0.18 and 0.17 are admissible without a warrant. In Birchfield versus North Dakota, decided in 2016, the Supreme Court held that breath tests incident to a lawful DUI arrest fall within the Fourth Amendment's search incident to arrest exception. Leaving the scene is not a lesser charge, it is an independent offense. Flight from a property damage collision without notifying authorities carries its own criminal penalties, separate from the DUI. The subject added a second count before officers said a word to her. Child endangerment is the most consequential charge. Most jurisdictions apply a per se standard. A minor's presence in a vehicle driven by an impaired driver satisfies the statute, no physical injury required. The car seat is legally irrelevant. Liability attached the moment she started the engine at 0.18 BAC. The subject invoked her credential as a medical assistant to block EMS evaluation of the infant. That claim has no legal weight. Under the parens patriae doctrine, affirmed by the Supreme Court in Parham versus JR, in 1979, intoxication compromises parental authority. Officers were legally correct to insist.
As best as I can tell without crossing the lines, doesn't look like anybody's in there.
The woman's...
Ma'am, come here. Ma'am, you were in an accident. We want to get you help. Hey, ma'am, we're worried about your kiddo. Hey, ma'am, I need you to stop. I need you to stop. I need you to stop. You were just involved in a collision, okay? Is the little one okay? It's a bad crash. We're getting fire here, okay?
Yes, I'm trying to get her.
No, home's not going to help. I want fire and medics here, okay?
I need her home.
She can sit in the back of my car and stay nice and dry. Ma'am, you can't. Okay, listen, you can't leave an accident.
She needs to go home.
She needs evaluation.
She needs to go home.
Stop, okay?
She is fine. She is fine. Me?
Fire this way, please.
Do whatever you need to do with me.
I need you to
She's
stop.
not going in here.
Okay, then you just have to stop. That's fine. Fire has to check her out.
She's fine.
Fire's got to check her out.
She's not going
This
anywhere
isn't optional.
except for home.
She's not even responsive. I need you to stop, okay?
You do whatever
I need you to
do
stop.
with me.
Are you okay?
Do whatever you do with me.
Are you okay?
She needs to go home.
Are you okay?
I'm
Let's stop for a minute, okay? She needs a fire department.
No, she's fine.
Is she crying? Is
I'm
she
a
okay?
medical assistant. I know how to assess
Ma'am,
if someone is injured.
here's the
what's
thing.
going
That's
on.
your car that ran
She
into
is
the thing,
fine.
right?
She needs to be home.
No, we're gonna wait here, okay?
No, she needs to go home.
We're
Like,
gonna
let's-
wait here.
Can we take her home and she can...
I need a fire department
whatever
to tell
you do
me.
with me, whatever.
Okay, I need a
But
fire department.
She is fine. No, I'm a
I
medical
need-
assistant. She is
Ma'am.
fine. She is fine. She's
Here's the
just
thing.
sleeping.
You've been drinking, and so I need to figure this
She
out,
needs
okay?
to go
Stop.
home.
You understand?
home.
This is we're staying here.
She needs to go home.
6-1-31. I got a second coming, right?
She needs
We're
to
gonna
go
stop.
home. She needs to go home.
I need you to stop.
No, she needs to go to my house
You have
and
what?
you
I'm
can do
sorry.
whatever you need to do with me. That's fine. I don't
I need
have
it
any
back.
problems with that. That's no problem.
Okay.
Do whatever you need to do with me.
We're gonna wait here to figure that out. You hear me?
No,
We
she
are.
needs to go home to my mother. No.
Stop.
She needs to go home to my
Where's
mom.
your mom live?
It's just right up the street.
What's just right up the street? Because your address is actually that way.
12 is en route to.
This isn't
She needs to go with
optional.
me. She needs to go with
She is going with you. She will go with you, but
you're
you're waiting here.
She's not going anywhere except my house.
She's gonna wait here. You're gonna
No,
wait
I
here.
need you to understand. She needs
Don't
to go.
do this,
Please,
okay?
please don't.
I
Please don't.
need you
Please
to wait
don't.
here.
I know how this shit ends.
Okay.
She's
You don't know
going
how this
to my
ends yet,
mom's house.
but I need you to stop.
No, I'm a medical assistant, and I can
You were in a
assess
really
her.
bad crash. You know she needs a CAT scan.
She does not need a CAT scan.
Is she injured? Was she in the car
No,
seat?
She's perfectly fine.
She's perfectly fine. I haven't seen her move or make any noise or anything.
Yeah, I know. I know how to assess my child. I've
Okay,
been a
well, you're
medical
pretty
assistant.
intoxicated right now.
You're right.
Okay, I know
am
you are, so
intoxicated.
we're gonna figure this out.
You're right, but
Well,
I
that's
just
why
need
you're
her.
staying.
I need her to go home.
can I call
you guys
for you?
can't take her anywhere
Who
except
can I
for
call?
my mom's
You're
house.
staying here.
Please.
We'll
just-
call your mom, and
she's
she'll
right
come
up
here.
the street.
Your mom
No,
will come to
no,
us.
No,
Yes.
you guys aren't gonna take her anywhere. And
Your
I'm
mom,
telling
like
you
I
that
said, will
right
come
now.
to us, okay?
Look, I understand where this is going, and I will go willingly
Okay.
wherever. But my daughter is going home
So right
to
now,
my mother,
you do not get to make
which
these
is
decisions.
right up the street.
Why don't you sit in the back of my
No.
car and stay warm?
No, I need
For
you
you
to
and your
listen
daughter.
to me, please.
What's your name?
Please,
I didn't catch your
please,
name.
Please listen to me, please, because I know where this is headed, and
We'll take a third.
I know how to
Ma'am?
assess for
Okay.
injuries. Because that's what medical assistants do for providers
Right.
all the time.
I understand that.
So,
Right.
I expect
6-1-31, do you need priority?
What's these two? Okay, and where was she at?
She was in my car.
She was in your car? Okay, was she in the car seat?
She was in the car seat.
She was in the car seat. Okay.
William, 37.
She is gonna go to your mom's.
I don't
Okay.
need her to go anywhere else except
Okay.
for my mom.
Okay, she's gonna go to
I
your
need you to
mom's.
understand that.
I do understand that. Are you listening to me?
I'm
Can you-
listening to you.
Okay,
but
we're gonna
you
take her
hear
to your
me?
mom's.
And
I
are
do.
you gonna honor that?
Yes,
Are you
we are
gonna
gonna
honor that?
we are gonna take her to your mom's. Here, can I
She's
hold
right
on?
up the
Can I
street.
hold on to her?
No,
Okay.
no.
Then
So
I'm
she
gonna
can-
take her to your mom's.
She can go to your mom's,
Will
but she's...
you take her?
Yes, I will
Yes.
take her,
You
but
promise?
yes, but I have to have
You
her to do that.
promise?
Yes, I promise.
You promise that
Yes,
you'll take her
I
to
promise.
my mom
Yes.
and do whatever the f you need to do with
Yes,
me.
of
Just
course.
Take her.
Of course. All right, let me have her.
To my mom.
Okay, let me have her. I got her.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It's okay.
She's gonna be okay, all right?
You okay. You just got
I
let
got
me
all the
have
people we need right here.
her. You just gotta let me have her.
Please
Look,
take her,
it's okay. I'm
please
gonna
We
take
will.
her right now.
We're taking
I'm
her to
gonna
your
take her right
mom's.
now.
All right?
take her
Go
right
ahead
now,
and let
okay?
go real
Thank
quick,
you so
okay?
much.
My mom.
There
My
we
mom.
go. What's her name?
Her name is.
Okay.
Her name is Juniper. This is her
Juniper's
diaper
gonna
bag.
go. These guys are gonna
Her diaper-
evaluate.
No, please.
She'll still
You
go to your
guys
mom's.
said she would go to my mom.
We will.
So
Okay.
please.
But right now, I'm not lying. Right now, we have to figure the rest of this out, okay?
I understand.
Do you need to be checked out? It was a really bad crash.
I'm fine.
You're okay? So
Yeah.
how much were you drinking tonight?
I don't know. I was, it was my best friend's daughter's birthday.
Okay.
And then we got into a fight. She should kick me out.
Okay.
And so I left.
Okay.
And I was heading home. And
Do you want to do any voluntary field sobriety tests to see how intoxicated you are and if you were impaired while driving?
I mean, I feel like I could pass them, but whatever.
That's
don't
why I asked you the
know.
question. Do you want to do voluntary field sobriety tests? This officer's going to run you through a couple tests real quick.
I honestly don't know what happened.
Don't know what happened?
I don't know. I just.
Okay.
And I was driving, and then whatever happened. I'm like, I need to get my daughter home. I just need to get her home.
Yeah.
And whatever happens to me, whatever happens.
I got it.
But I just need her to get home.
This is the best way to make sure she's okay, all right? It's a significant crash. We've seen a lot of these things. We have to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for all this. I'm going to call Leanna right now. I want you to talk to these officers, and they're going to run you through those tests, okay?
I don't give a shit. Just please
I have not first Officer Lee. I'm going to deal with this part. Thank you.
Please make sure she goes to my mom.
I'm going to go do that right now. Please talk to Officer Lee, okay? Hey, this is Lieutenant Durrell from the Federal Police Department. Your daughter was just walking her house. I didn't actually catch her name, but she's got your granddaughter here too, right? We're on 312. Your daughter is likely going to be arrested for DUI, but your granddaughter seems to be in good health from the accident, and we would love to give her to you to keep her in a safe, warm place tonight. You have to leave your daughter alone. Okay, leave your daughter alone and just come to the fire rig, please, so you can get your granddaughter, okay? Fantastic, thank you. Grandma lives at the pickleball courts, should be here really soon. She's pretty damn drunk, so she's gonna get arrested.
Officers, A-. Legally sound DUI investigation, correct power line protocols, sustained de-escalation, professional child welfare coordination. Minor deduction. The infant remained with an intoxicated subject longer than necessary during negotiation. Subject. D. Driving at 0.18 BAC with an infant is the foundational failure. Fleeing the scene added a second count. She avoided an F by cooperating, consenting to testing, and not resisting arrest.
Okay, do you understand your instructions?
I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead and begin.
Go. One. One. Two. Woo. 3. 4.
Okay, go ahead and relax. Okay, so now we're going to do the one-legged stand. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, you may begin. Keep your arms at your side. Arms down at your side.
Down.
Down at your side. There you go, just like that.
Good.
Okay, you can put your foot down.
I feel like I have shitty balance. I'd be wobbly whether or not I was sober or not, you know what I mean? So
Okay. Go ahead, push your hands behind your back for me, ma'am.
We have one in custody, DUI. We have code 4.
Okay, ma'am, we're going to go to the back of this car up here. Okay, go here. Yep, your mom already came and picked her up. Go ahead and face this flag for me. Yep, she took her. Yep. Go ahead and face this flag for me right there. Just like that, okay? Stay right there for my partner. Alright, go ahead and hop in the back of this car for me. So right now we're going to go to the station, and we're going to do the breath machine.
It's not you, but the police. The police. It's my daughter. What else is the sign?
Yeah, right. If you decide to wave those right. Okay. Okay.
Do you know how much my bail is?
I don't know. So I need just one nice steady breath, okay? So just deep breath in. And then like you're blowing up a balloon, right? Just
Hey, am I there
nice and
to hold
steady.
my nose in really
No,
fast or no? You said, hell no.
Don't worry, I have tissues. We can do that here in a second. All right. I'm going to tell you when to stop. Go ahead. And I'll try to coach you as you go. No, too hard. Too hard. Steady breath. Good, good, good. Keep going. Keep going. Great. Doing great. Good job. Good job. Keep going as long as you can. Good. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, stop. There you go. Yeah, it was a little aggressive on the first start, but it's okay. All right, ready? You guys sit down for me? And then just like last time. Yep. Big breath and a nice and gentle, continuous flow. A little softer. There you go. Keep going. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
That was hard.
Gotta do it again. I'm sorry. I know. Okay, ready? Don't let it time out on you. Good. Just like that, keep going. A little softer. There you go. Better. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Take a breath. Take a breath. Blow. A little softer. There you go. Nice, steady blow. Keep going. Doing great. Almost there. Okay, stop. Take a breath. Okay, blow. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Did it work?
Looks like it did so far.
So what is it?
What did you?
What did it
The
blow?
results?
Yeah.
0.18 and 0.17.
Oh, that's not good.
3 takeaways. Probable cause does not wait for a breathalyzer observation is enough. Leaving a crash scene is a chargeable act, not a neutral choice. Intoxication activates the state's authority to protect a child. No credential overrides that. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.